Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are good and may the divine bless you with immense love and affectionate. Okay, children. So let us be back with our chapter. So today we are going to read about how to delete the rows and column. Children, we know that whatever is created, it has to be gone back to the god, isn't it? So similarly, whatever we create, if we want, we can delete it. So children, to delete that one, there are some steps to be followed. First, you have to select the cell. Then step 2 is that click on the layout tab, and step 3, click on the delete rows and column option. Now select the option whether to delete the row or table, and you can press the delete key to delete it. Clear? Next that we have is resizing rows or column. Now children, resizing means we can make it large or small according to our own need, and this is known as resizing the column. So resizing the column, first we have changing the width of a column. Okay, now step 1 is place the mouse pointer to the right border of the column whose width is to be changed. Clear? Now the mouse pointer changes to a double headed arrow, you can see over there. Now step 2, hold the left mouse button and drag it towards the left or right as needed to change the width. Clear, all of you? You can see over there how the double headed arrow is there. Now that double-headed arrow is used to change the width of the column. Clear? Now we have changing the height of a row. Now children, changing the height of a row means what? To make it little bigger in size. Now there are also some steps to be followed. Step 1 is that place the mouse pointer on the lower border of the row whose height has to be changed. You can see the mouse pointer over there. How does it look? After that, you have to hold the left mouse button and drag it up and down as needed to change the height of the selected row.